The transition from traditional to digital assets allows people around the world, no matter their socioeconomic background, to directly access and harness the power of one global digital economy.
Digital money becomes revolutionary and potentially groundbreaking because the new digital technologies can allow central banks to cut out the middleman. Digital money's future and benefits will therefore depend on whether our democracies can put the commercial banks in their place or forever suffer under their feudal power.
Digital money will inevitably replace the traditional money. And in fact, the trend has already started even before the introduction of digital money. If you look at countries like Sweden, China, UK, they are all making a lot of progress towards cashless.
Though given that the vast majority of our money is already in digital form, one wonders if we actually need a whole set of new currencies or whether turning off the physical printing press will achieve the same outcome.
It's really quite hard to imagine governments giving up monetary sovereignty and control over the financial system.
I think crypto assets and public blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then some of the protocols that we're finding in the DeFi space is really giving us an opportunity to build a new open financial system, a new infrastructure that will enable us to have a more open and inclusive financial services industry.
I think we, as human beings, are in the process of this grand immigration from the physical world to a digital world.
Starting from the first world countries and the second world countries and the third world countries, especially for second and third world countries, the impact of digital money can be huge.
Digital currency has been very helpful to especially developing countries because developing countries didn't have credit cards, but we now have ways of accessing money